This is Khan beating up a Baba. Oops. Doink. Honey, he hurt. He's stuck. He's stuck. Hurry. Beat up the table. Bad table hurt the Khan. Say bad table hurt the Khan. Good throw. Go get Baba. Oh, he threw 2 balls at once. Wow. Kick the soccer ball. Kick it. Boing. Nice throw. All right. Woohoo. Nice save there, Baba. Come get Baba. Forget the ball. Come get Baba. Tackle Baba. Where'd you go? Come get Baba. Okay, he's decided to play the piano right now. Come get Baba. Hi, Baba. There we go. Now he's gonna look for it. Damn it. Come here. He's gonna look for it. Here.
God. Hey.
Tackle Baba. Apparently he's in the ball throwing mood now.
Yeah, thanks to you.
Thanks to me, I didn't do nothing. No, he did. He went and got it himself. Camille, I had nothing to do with it. And it's on tape to prove it. There's my handsome hubby. Mwah. Alright, nice throw. Right at Bubba's head. Oh, Bubba got the ball now. Oh, that had to have hurt. And see, now this is why I don't get on the floor with him anymore. This is what he needs. Oh, watch his head, watch his head, watch his head. Woohoo! He what? I know. Would you think I told him stage fighting already? Big belly. Mommy got a big belly shot there. Khan's got his butt in Bubba's face. Wow, that was hard.
He knows.
Of course he does. He trusts us implicitly. That's why he's not afraid of anything. That means we're good parents. Children who don't have that trust with their parents, that's how you can tell that they're not good parents. Like, he knows we're not going to let him get hurt, so he's not scared of anything right now. Oh, mommy and daddy are here. They'll protect me type of thing. Yeah, you already did that a couple years ago. We watched it all day long. I was impressed. Woo! Mommy kicked the ball. Meow. He's good. I'm getting ready to go check on him again. Alright, say bye-bye to camera. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.